This is me and Julie gonna go get ice cream cone.
Zachary, shut up in there.
Shut up, you little freak.
What are you gonna do about it? I'm gonna kick your ass when you get out there.
Okay, go big fat thing.
Okay, I get the point.
Okay.
I wouldn't leave that ice cream sitting out because it's melting already.
That's what we're doing, Mother. Spin. You walk over here, and you stick a spoon in the ice cream cone. Set this inside because you don't need another one right now. And then my lovely assistant, Vanna White, is going to get out an ice cream cone. 2 ice cream cones. I should know how to call it from. You just wait. Thank you. Oh yeah. Don't you just love that sound? The ice cream on its cone. Oh yeah.
That was just because they're more than I asked for.
That's what we said last night.
I know.
Okay, that's 1 ice cream cone there.
Yeah, but
Ew.
Oh, this bubble crap.
Oh yeah. And mine. Okay, your turn.
okay, my turn. What the f are you doing?
Let's build some.
Here.
Do I have to use a spoon?
That is disgusting. I don't want to make out with you again for like the 4th time. No, no.
Oh, you skip the ice cream cone, Julie. You can do it. Takes just a little muscle. Lick it up.
Look it up.
Lick it up. Lick that one up too. You can lick mine up.
I ate a crumb in your counter.
Now Julie's going to demonstrate on how to put everything away and clean up everything.
Okay, make me clean up your kitchen.
Would you please put away the ice cream? Here. Clean up your mess, girl.
Yes, honey.
You
Put
guys
away the
expect
ice
me to
cream.
do everything around here.
Right.
Who am I to you?
My sex slave. I'm going to get you.
Ew, he's naked.
Hold my ice cream cone. I'm going to go get him. I'm going to get you.
Ice, get me.
Give you 5 seconds to run away and hide. I'm going to come get you. 5, 4, 3, 2. Dude, you're such a cheater.
Not in my room with the door locked.
I'm going to kill him. Now we're going to go outside. Oh yeah.